Hi, my name's Gemma, and today I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to install your next-gen decking. So congratulations on making a great purchase. Once your kit has been delivered, all you will need is a beautiful afternoon like today and a drill, and you will be good to go. So this is the area I'm going to be working in, and what I've done first is just smooth that out so I've got a nice flat surface, and I have clicked together my DeckCell already. So this is the clip, and it just slots in. So first thing you need to do is just make sure that the area you are going to be working in is nice and flat, and once you have clicked your DeckCell together, you're ready to insert the aluminium poles. The only important thing about this is just to make sure that they are inserted into this particular section. So if you come and have a look, just making sure that you've got the edging on here and not through this one, and they just simply slide through. I've already got one in the DeckCell. This just feeds through, and this is what we will drill our decking clips onto. So we're starting with the end clips. End clips because they're going to go at the end of the board. So this is our fence, our rear. These are going to go at the end and stop the boards going off the decking. We're starting with them, and then we're going to lay the rest of our clips along in between the boards. So they're a little bit different to the other ones. All we do with this, put the screw in here. We want to lay it over the aluminium pole, and then we're going to drill through the plastic and through the aluminium. This is actually going to raise the aluminium pole up. We're going to do the same along each of the aluminium, slide the board into place, and then start on our in-between clips. Now you've got your starter clips in, the grooves on the board are literally going to slide along, and that will hold in place. So first of all, you just want to slide them all in. So get them into the groove on each side of the board and just slide along. I'm going to put 5 of these in, find their place on the aluminium, and screw down exactly the same as I did before. So I'm up to the final piece. It's not taken long to get this down, and just been following exactly the same process with each one, which is just to slide the clips along, line them up with the aluminium, and then it's literally been a case of just drilling the nails down. And that's it, all put together, all down, just a nice sweep to show that lovely finish. And yeah, ready to go to the next stage. So here's a few facts about next-gen decking. It's crafted from 50% recovered hardwood fibre and 50% UV stabilised high-density polyethylene. It's made in the USA with patented technology. There are long, straight limbs, quick and easy to install, as you've seen. It doesn't warp, rot, it's splinter-free, no sanding, no painting, no sealing, no staining. It's long-lasting, scratch-resistant, termite-resistant, and has a 25-year stain and fade warranty. There is no maintenance involved, only the occasional cleaning with soap and water or a pressure clean. So, to inquire about your next-gen decking installation, or just to purchase, visit nextgendecking.com.au.